For over 7 decades, the Toyota Land Cruiser has been synonymous with adventure. It's a vehicle that's climbed mountains, explored uncharted territories, and become a symbol of unstoppable spirit. But for a while there, it seemed the legend might be fading. But fear not, explorers, because for 2024, Toyota is bringing back the beast. Get ready, because we're about to dive deep into the all-new, totally redesigned Land Cruiser. This isn't just a refresh, this is a return to form, a revival of an off-road icon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're absolutely thrilled to be getting a first look at the highly anticipated 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. This is a vehicle that off-road enthusiasts around the world have been waiting for with bated breath. And let me tell you, it does not disappoint. The first thing that strikes you about the new Land Cruiser is its imposing presence. It's bigger, bolder, and has a design language that screams off-road capability. The boxy silhouette is a return to the classic Land Cruiser look, but with modern touches like sharp LED headlights and a sculpted hood. Now, let's climb inside and see what the Land Cruiser offers in terms of comfort and technology. The interior is a massive step up from previous Land Cruisers. We've got high-quality materials throughout, comfortable and supportive seating, and a ton of space for passengers and cargo. But Toyota hasn't forgotten about functionality. There are plenty of physical buttons and knobs for easy access to controls while off-roading, and the infotainment system is intuitive without being overwhelming. Alright, let's talk about the engine, the heart of this beast. The 2024 Land Cruiser comes with a few different engine options, depending on your needs. There's a powerful twin-turbo V6 that promises exhilarating performance, both on and off-road. There's also a new hybrid option that offers impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing capability. No matter which engine you choose, you can be sure the Land Cruiser will get you where you need to go, no matter how challenging the terrain. Underneath the hood, it's clear that Toyota hasn't skimped on off-road capability. We've got a robust chassis, a sophisticated all-wheel drive system, and advanced driver assistance features specifically designed for tackling tough trails. This Land Cruiser is built to conquer any obstacle you throw its way. The Land Cruiser isn't just about power and capability, it's about a sense of adventure, a spirit of exploration. It's a vehicle that allows you to go further, experience more, and push your own boundaries. So is the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser the ultimate off-road vehicle? Well, that depends on your definition of ultimate. It's certainly not the cheapest option, but for those who demand the best, who crave adventure, and who need a vehicle that can handle anything you throw at it, the Land Cruiser is a legend reborn. Digging deeper, a detailed look at the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. Alright, we've given you a high-level overview of the 2024 Land Cruiser, but there's so much more to unpack. Let's dive deeper into some of the key features that make this Land Cruiser truly special. Off-road prowess. Advanced Multi-Terrain Select System. This intelligent system allows you to tailor the Land Cruiser's performance to specific terrains, from sand and mud to rocks and moguls. Simply choose your setting, and the Land Cruiser will adjust throttle response, suspension, and traction control to optimize your driving experience. Kinetic Dynamic Suspension System, KDSS. This innovative system adjusts the vehicle's hydraulics to maintain optimal wheel articulation, ensuring maximum grip and stability on uneven terrain. Say goodbye to those pesky body roll moments. Crawl Control. Need to navigate a tricky descent or a steep incline with precision? No problem. Crawl Control allows you to set a desired speed, and the Land Cruiser will handle the throttle and braking, letting you focus on steering. It's like having an off-road cruise control. Unmatched capability. Upgraded engine options. We mentioned the engine options earlier, but let's get specific. The standard offering is a powerful twin-turbo V6 that pumps out impressive horsepower and torque. It's perfect for those who demand exhilarating performance, both on and off the road. However, for the eco-conscious adventurer, the new hybrid option offers incredible fuel efficiency without sacrificing off-road capability. This Land Cruiser truly gives you the best of both worlds. Heavy-duty chassis and drivetrain. The foundation of the Land Cruiser's capability is its robust chassis. This thing is built to take a beating. Combined with a reinforced drivetrain and advanced all-wheel drive system, the Land Cruiser can handle the most demanding terrain with ease. Advanced driver assistance features. Safety is paramount even when you're venturing off the beaten path. The Land Cruiser boasts a suite of driver assistance features specifically designed for off-road situations. These include systems like multi-terrain monitor with cameras that give you a 360-degree view of your surroundings, downhill assist control for maintaining a safe speed on descents, and even off-road turn assist that helps you maneuver tight corners on tricky trails. Luxury meets functionality. Premium interior design. Step inside the Land Cruiser, and you're greeted by a luxurious and comfortable cabin. High-quality materials like leather and soft-touch plastics create a sophisticated feel, while spacious seating ensures everyone on board has ample room to stretch out. Heated and ventilated seats are optional for an extra touch of comfort, perfect for those long off-road journeys. Advanced infotainment system. The Land Cruiser isn't all about brawn. It boasts brains too. The infotainment system is intuitive and user-friendly, featuring a large touchscreen display and voice recognition capabilities. Stay connected with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigate your way with built-in GPS, and even control various vehicle functions through the system. However, Toyota hasn't forgotten about functionality. There are still plenty of physical buttons and knobs for easy access to essential controls while bouncing around off-road. Unmatched cargo capacity. Whether you're packing for a weekend camping trip or embarking on a full-blown expedition, the Land Cruiser has you covered. With ample cargo space behind the rear seats and even more space with the seats folded down, you can bring all the gear you need for your adventure. There are also plenty of cargo tie-down points and clever storage compartments to keep everything organized. This is just a taste of what the 2024 Land Cruiser has to offer. It's a vehicle that combines legendary off-road capability with modern luxury and technology. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just getting started on your exploration journey, the Land Cruiser is a worthy companion. So, if you're looking for a vehicle that can take you anywhere in style and comfort, then the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser might just be your perfect match. Stay tuned for more detailed reviews and off-road tests coming soon. In the meantime, let us know in the comments below what excites you most about the new Land Cruiser.